Hello student, myself Shraddha Kapartiwa teaching in LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Today we will start chapter number 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. So let's know the word geometry. Geometry is the Greek word geometrion, where geo means earth and metrion means measurement. So what is geometry? Geometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with properties and relation with the lines, angles, surfaces and solids. Just as maths deals with numbers and geometry deals with figures, points and lines. Here points, lines, planes and the other basic element which form the foundation of geometry. So our first topic is point. Points determines the location. A point is usually represented by a small dot. By a sharp tip of the pencil, mark a dot on the paper. Sharper the tip, thinner will be the dot. That means we can say that point has no length, breadth and height, and points can be represented by the letters A, B, C. Now the next topic is line segment. Line segment is a part of a line. A line segment corresponds to the shortest distance between two points. That means length of line segment is fixed. A line segment joins two points A and B and it is denoted by AB. That is line segment having end points A and B. Now our next topic is line. A line is obtained when a line segment like AB is extended on both sides indefinitely. It is denoted by line AB or sometimes by a single small letter like L. We can say that a line is a straight and extends indefinitely in both the direction. It may contain an unlimited number of points. An unlimited number of lines can be drawn through a given point, whereas exact one line can be drawn through two given points. So, the name of a line is here as denoted as line AB. Line means the straight line as a whole and not a part of it. Arrow at both the ends indicate that it can extended on the both sides to any length. Now the next is intersecting lines. Two distinct lines meeting at a point are called intersecting lines. Here you can see that line L1 and line L2 are intersect at point P. Two lines L1 and L2 are shown. Both are intersecting lines are passing through point P. So we can say that line L1 and line L2 intersect at point P. Two lines in a plane either intersect exactly at one point or are parallel to each other. Now next is parallel lines. Two lines in a plane are parallel to be parallel if they do not meet. Now there is one question, where else do you see parallel lines? Try to find parallel lines in the given example. Identify parallel lines. Now here is ruler, the opposite edge of the ruler. See? Opposite edges of the ruler, that means they are parallel lines. Now the next example is rail lines. See? And ladder. opposite sides of a rectangle. They are parallel lines. And can you identify parallel lines around your surrounding? So that means we can say that lines like these which do not meet are said to be parallel and are called parallel lines. Now, ray. A ray is a portion of a line. It starts at one point called starting point. Here, A is the starting point and goes endlessly in a direction. An arrow can be indicate that it can goes endlessly in a direction. 2 points are shown on the ray. Point A and point P. Point A is the starting point and point P is on the path of the ray. We denoted by ray as ray AP. Ray AP. Okay. Now, there are some models for a ray. Here, beam of light from a lighthouse. Here, starting point is this and the beam can be we can denote it as, and sun rays is again a starting point and again rays can be denoted as so ray of a light from the torch. This is also a starting point. Now our next topic is polygon. If a figure is a simple closed figure made up entirely of line segment, then we can say that the given figure is a polygon. That means a polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segment. That means the figure is entirely made up of line segment. So there are some various parts of polygons. So point 1 is a line segment are the sides of the polygon. Number 2, any two sides with a common endpoints are adjacent sides. Number 3, the meeting point of a pair of sides are called a vertex. Number 4, the endpoints of the same side are adjacent vertices. Point 5, the join of any two non-adjacent vertices is a diagonal.